Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of visiting this channel, my name is Lucky Asemota. So by the grace of God, today I will be designing a birthday flyer. Okay, this is a quick video. So without wasting much of our time, let's go in. Just open your Photoshop. And this is what we are going to be designing today. Click File and go to New. Let's create our canvas. Now we are going to use 4 by 5 inches. This is very well here. 4. The width is 4, while the height is 5, and the resolution we leave it at 300. And we are going to name this one Tracy birthday flyer. Okay, click create. Now the first thing we are going to do, we are going to create our background. First of all, we create our background and click this padlock sign here. Now click go to this place and let's choose solid color. And the color we are going to use, please make sure you copy my color code. Okay, we're using 011C00. This is the color we are going to use for this background. Click OK. So now there are a few resources we are going to use, which I will be bringing up one after the other. This is very well here. First of all, we are going to use, let's drag this background to Photoshop. Just click it. I will drop a link in the description of this video so that you can have access to these resources so that you follow along. Let's drag this background to our Photoshop, place it here. Now if you are using Windows, you hit alternate on your keyboard and drag this edge here. Okay, and click OK. Now we are going to, as you always know, whenever I'm working, I like my work to be neat. So let's group this file. Select all of them and press Ctrl G on your keyboard. Ctrl G on your keyboard and double click it. Let's rename it BG as background. So we are doing this in order for our work to be neat. Okay. If you have been following my video, you will understand the reason why we always do this, so that whenever you want to make changes to any layer, it will not be difficult for you to locate. Okay, so now we are going to overlay this background. Click this place here, go to soft light. We are using soft light. Okay, click it. All right, so the next thing we are going to do, we are going to create an empty layer by clicking this plus sign here. Click this plus sign to create a new layer. All right, after you create a new layer, pick up your brush tool, which is this one here. or you can press B on your keyboard. That's the shortcut to the brush tool. Now, what we are going to do, you see this color here, we are going to use this color. You can copy the color code. Here is the color code here. Okay, go to the edge. All right, so before then we are going to adjust our flow opacity here. Let's leave it at 100%. Okay, go to edge here and click it. All right, and go to this place. Just make sure you manipulate the background according to your taste. All right, so for now we'll leave it this way. Let's add one here. Okay, that's enough. So all right, so if you want to move the artboard around just the way I'm doing it, you hold your space button. Yes, your space button here, hold it and click it. You can drag it the way I'm using it now. Okay, all right, so now the next thing we are going to do now, let's bring up our image. Let's bring up our image, click it and drag it to the Photoshop and place it here. So what we are going to do, we are going to get rid of the background by clicking select. If you are using the latest version of Photoshop, you will see this menu bar here. Okay, this menu bar. Now you click select. All right, let's wait for it to select. Okay, you can still get that menu bar when you go to layer. Okay, go to layer and you'll see, let me try and trace it. Okay, or select, yes. Let me deselect it. Okay, I'm trying to show you how you can also select your subject from the menu. Okay, is a layer. Okay, let's leave that for now so I will not waste much time. Okay, now I will press Ctrl Z. Okay, you go to quick selection to pick it and click select and mask, and you get rid of the background. Okay, so from there let's go to this place, click select this decontaminate colors. All right, I will select new layer and click OK. So from here I'll go to filter, go to camera raw filter, click this light here, we'll give it a little bit exposure. All right, just a little, and the contrast, let's see, 4 is okay. Go to the next one, color, vibrance, we give it 6 is okay. A saturation, let's leave it at 5. Go to option, yes, details. We sharpen the image by 10 is okay, and reduce our noise reduction. We'll leave it at 7%. Okay, and click OK. Now this image we are going to select it, we are going to cut it. Okay, we are not going to use the, for now we are not going to use the full image. When you select it this way by clicking your what's this called now, rectangle mark, okay, just use that. You select it and click right click, go to copy. We copy it, okay, because we are not going to cut it. We can still make use of the image later. We'll copy it. All right, let's hide this very well here. Now this image we are going to turn it to black and white. Yes, black and white. Go to image, select, click adjustment, and go to black and white. You can also use the shortcut by pressing alternate plus shift plus control B on your keyboard. Okay, do you see that? So all you have to do is to click OK. All right, don't touch anything here, don't select any, don't make any adjustment here. Just all you have to do is to click OK. All right, now we are going to take this image to this place. All right, now the next thing we are going to do is that we are going to blend this image. Before then, press Ctrl T on your keyboard. Let's adjust the image a little bit. Okay, let's leave it this way. Now we are going to add a layer mask on this image so that we can blend it to the background. You click the layer mask, select the image, click the layer mask. But before then, let's remove this layer from this background. Okay, when you select it, press Ctrl G so that we can group it and rename it image. All right, so this image layer, we are going to duplicate it by pressing Ctrl J on your keyboard. Ctrl J. Let's make a copy of it, and let's hide the last one. We are going to make use of this copy, and now we are going to add a layer mask. Select the image and click this layer mask and press V on your keyboard. Let's pick up our brush tool, this very one here, and we are going to reduce the size of the brush. So when you reduce the size to your taste, come to this place here, this flow here. We are going to reduce the opacity of the flow. Okay, let's reduce it. 12 is okay. The reason why I reduce the opacity to this extent is so that I can be able to blend this image to the background very smoothly. Okay, so now make sure your color is, your foreground color is set to black. All right, just brush it, brush this place. All right, maybe I will see increase it a little bit. Okay, this is how I brush my image so that it can blend with the background. All right, now I think there's no need for us to work with the duplicate of the image. Let's do away with it. I'll just delete it. For this one here, I will make a copy by pressing Ctrl J. When I press Ctrl J, you press Ctrl T on your keyboard. Ctrl J is to make duplicate, while Ctrl T is to select it. And you drag it down. When you drag it, right click and click on this one here, flip horizontal. Okay, you see it now. And we are going to reduce the size. Reduce the size a little bit. Reduce the size. Click OK. And this one, select it. Press Ctrl T. Maybe we'll increase the size a little bit. All right. Okay. Maybe this very one here. We'll just flip it. We'll flip this one. While this one will flip it horizontal. Okay. Alright. We'll drag this one. Drag it here. It here. Now let's go back to the full image. This very one here. We are going to bring it up. See, just as we did the first one, we are going to turn it to black and white. Click image, go to adjustment and select black and white. All right, and click OK. Now we will bring it to the back. All right, I'm going to place it here and we make adjustment. We readjust it. Okay, we just leave this one here for now. So in order for us to hide the other part of the image, we'll add the layer mask to the image. Pick up your brush tool. Let's brush it up. Okay, we increase the flow. Increase the flow. Let's brush it up. Okay. See, we adjust it a little bit. All right. Okay. Now, the next thing we are going to do is we are going to, let me see. Reduce the image a little bit. All right, now I'm going to hide the image for now because there's something I want to add on the background. Okay, so I want to make this background to come alive. All right, now pick up, select the background. Okay, select the background. Now we are going to draw, or let's pick up our rectangle tool. Click here. We'll draw a shape like this. This is okay. All right, now we are going to make a duplicate. Now let's change the color. Let's change the color. Double click this. Just copy the color code. Try and copy the color code. The color code is B9FFA9. Yes, this is the color code, right? Now you are going to press alternate on your keyboard, alternate and shift. Okay, just press alternate and shift. Let's leave it this way. Okay, select the two layer here, the two rectangle, and press Ctrl J and Ctrl T. All right, when you press Ctrl T, hold down the shift button on your keyboard and drag it down this way. Okay, leave it this way. Let's leave it this way. Now you are going to select everything together. When you select everything together, press Ctrl J. Let's make a duplicate. When you press Ctrl J, press Ctrl T again, and we'll drag it down. Okay, we'll leave it this way. So this is okay. Now we are going to select everything together. Make sure you select everything together. Right click and choose merge shape. You can also press Ctrl E on your keyboard. All right, so now after you've done that, press Ctrl T on your keyboard and right click. Okay, hold down your Ctrl button and make an adjustment. We are just going to manipulate the shape. Just do it to your taste. Okay, okay, we'll leave it this way. Leave it this way. Now we are going to add a blur effect. Go to filter, go to blur and click Gaussian blur. Click it and click on convert to smart object. All right, now you can reduce the effect. Now for the sake of this video, I'm going to leave it at 15.0. okay, click OK. Click OK. Now let's make the image visible. Right, now I'm going to readjust that shape on the background. I'm going to place it properly. Place it properly. And I will add overlay effect. Click this place. Go to just choose the one that work for you. Okay. Choose the one that work for you. For the sake of this video, maybe I will use screen. Okay. No need to reduce the opacity. I will leave it this way. All right. Now this one here. Drag it out. Okay, leave it this way. Now we are going to add a gradient layer over this image. Gradient layer. Click this place and go to gradient. Click gradient. All right. So make sure you copy my color code. All right, click this place and select this place so that we can change the color. Copy my color code. I'm using 031100. This is the color we are going to use. And the next one here, we also change the color. 031800. This is the color. I'll change it. Change it color. Leave it this way. Use this color code. All right. So let's add our text. Let's add our text. Pick up your text tool and write happy. Let me choose my font. Okay, let's use this for now. Right, happy birthday. Okay. I don't think I'm going to use this font. Okay, let me check the font I use here. Contrast. Contrast 58. Okay. Contrast. Okay. I'll just copy the font here. Select these two and we are going to group it, rename it text. Now you see this text here, the two tests. I added a graded effect. Okay, the way you add a gradient effect is that you double click the text, double click it and add graded overlay, this very one here, and here is the color code. The first side, this is the color code. Copy the color code, and the other side, this is the color code. All right, and click OK. So now let's let's assume that you only have the gradient effect on this very text here. Let's say this birthday. So all you have to do is to copy it to the next text, this happy. The way to do that is just hold down your alternate button on your keyboard and drag this FS here. Drag it. This FS effect, we drag it to the next text and it will apply. Okay. So the next thing we are going to do, we are going to add the name. The name. Press T on your keyboard. Let's type the name, which is Tracy. Okay, Tracy, yes. Tracy. Let's use 58. We drag it down here. 58 or 50. Okay, 50 is okay. We adjust this one. And now I'm going to apply a gradient, this very one here. Apply it. Now I'm going to rotate the effect. The way I will do that is that I will double click it, go to gradient overlay. This angle I will change it to 0. Okay, I will change the angle of the effect to 0. Let me change the color. Let me reduce the color a little bit. Let me reduce the color a little bit. Okay. All right. So the next thing we are going to do now is to add the name. This text here. Add the text. I'll just copy it here. Thank God for grace. So we are going to add the last part now, which is this overlay effect. Sorry about that. Just add it. Okay. Stretch it to cover the whole thing, and we'll change the overlay effect to soft light. Soft light. And we'll add the mask layer. Okay, click the mask layer, pick up your brush tool. What we are going to do is that we are going to brush off this area here. We'll brush it off. Okay, we'll brush it off a little bit. Okay, brush it off. Now click this gradient effect here, this very one, and we are going to brush it off, okay, so that the face can be more visible. Okay, more visible. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is that I will readjust this text here. I'll bring the date of the birthday. Just use this very well here. Use it. Bring it here. Bring it here. And we'll shift this very well. Alright. So I don't want this video to be too long. Okay, so we are going to round up here. So if there is anything you don't understand, drop it at the comment section. I will reply you. Okay, so we have come to the end of this video. So one thing we'll do last year now is that pick up your brush tool. Okay, we blend this place so that it will be more visible, this very place here, because this overlay layer here is covering the dates. You brush it off so that it can be more visible. And this part here. All right, so we have come to the end of this video. If there's anything you don't understand, make sure you drop it at the comment section. I will respond. See you on the next video. Bye.